This woman can cook. She make a very good, delicious ogbono soup. Guys, do you want to know how she make this ogbono soup? Guys, let's go, guys. If today is the first time coming across this channel, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. Love you all. Make sure you like and comment on this video. So here are the things she want to use. We have ishake. She put it inside the pot and put some salt inside. So she will cover it and put it on fire to cook. So we also have some stockfish, guys. She put it inside the pot also and put some salt inside and put it on fire to cook. So here are the meat she want to use. It's time for her to wash the meat. Okay, guys, it's time for her to add the fish, the meat inside the pot. So she covered the pot and keep it aside. So it's time for her to cut the fish now. Please, guys, make sure you like and share this video. This is only wife material in the kitchen. So she's done cutting the fish, guys. So here are the ishake she put on fire. So it's ready. It's time for her to wash it. So she done washing the ishake. She want to add it inside, as you can see on this video. We have some onions. She put onions, and we have black pepper powder. She put. We also have ginger powder. She add inside. We also have Maggi cube. That is no Maggi. She add, and some salt. She put some salt inside. She cover it and put it on fire to cook, guys, as you can see on this video. She is a good cook. She can cook very well. So she's back to check it, guys. She turn it and cover it back to cook. Okay, guys, she's back to check it again. She adds some pepper inside and turn it. After then, she adds some water and cover it to cook. So here is the ogbono she want to use. She want to wash the ogbono because the ogbono is dirty. So she's done washing it. It's time for her to blend it. She adds some palm oil, that is red oil, and blend it. So she's back to check it again, guys. As you can see on this video, it's time for her to turn it. She adds stockfish and fish inside. She turn it and cover it to cook, guys. So she adds some non-Maggi cube. She cover it to cook. So here is the ogbono. The ogbono is ready. And here is the mushroom you want to use for the soup. We have 2 packs of mushroom. So she's done picking the mushroom. So it's time for her to wash it. She's back again, guys, as you can see on this video. She wants to remove some fish inside so that it will not break. This is wife material in the kitchen. Who they run and now only she they run and she can cook very well, guys. So here is the mushroom. She add it inside and turn it together. As you can see on this video, you can see the mushroom now. See as a fan, everywhere neat, everywhere fan. This soup is yummy. She cover it to cook. So she back again. She want to remove some water inside the pot. So as you can see on this video, she removed some water before adding the ogbono. So she adds the ogbono inside and turn it together, as you can see on this video, guys. The ogbono is giving. Okay guys, that water she removed just now, she used it to rinse it and pour it back. So the remaining one, she add it and turn it together. You can see the ogbono. The ogbono is giving and so it thick. This is wife material in the kitchen, the only wife material in the whole wide world. Look at the ogbono now. The ogbono is giving, is cooking very well, guys. So here is the okra we want to use, guys. We have to slice the okra. So we are slicing the okra, guys, as you can see on this video. So we are done slicing it. It's time to add it inside. Can you see soup, guys? It's so yummy. It's so delicious. So it's time for us to add the fish. We add in the fish, guys, and turn it together. So many people said that they cannot cook without no crayfish. Who told you that you can't cook without no crayfish? It is so yummy. As you are seeing, this soup is beautiful and it's yummy. So here is salt. We add some salt inside and turn it together. You don't have to use too much salt on ogbono soup. Before adding salt, you have to test it first. So we test it. We come back again to check it. We are turning it now. Soup now. Soup is ready, guys. Soup is ready to eat. How do you reason this soup, guys? Please, guys, if today is the first time coming across my channel or coming across my page, please do me well and subscribe to my channel. Do me well and follow my page. So we add this some spinach leaf, guys, as you can see on this video. This is spinach leaf. After adding it, we leave it for a little minute before bringing it down. You can see it is cooking. Everything is yummy, guys. You can see the soup now. It's cooking. It's ready to eat. It's ready to eat, guys. Who they run now? Who they zuzu? Now only wife material now in the zuzu. So the ogbono is ready, guys. What do you think about this soup, guys? Please